could make a gesture and say, listen, I acknowledge whatever it is that are your feelings and your perception, but how about you and I have a coffee and let's talk about it if you want. If they then say no, then you're right. You have to walk away.
Yeah.
But if they say yes, then there might be an opportunity.
Actually, I did do that. I reached out to a friend.
Really?
And I'm so happy I did. Because it was kind of like we just got right back on. But something in me was like, because she was a good friend. It's just, we kind of went, I don't know if you remember.
Yes, you did.
But I'm happy I did it.